Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me OPPO F23, and now I'm gonna show you how to set call ID announcement on this device. First, you need to open the phone application and click on the three dots button, choose settings, scroll down again and find call ID announcement and click announce call ID, and here you can choose never, so never announce call ID, and always, so your smartphone will always read when someone calls through, and you can use only when using a headset, and I recommend you use this feature because if someone calls you, so no one will hear who calls you, because if you are not wearing the headphones right now, it means that smartphone will not announce. But if you're wearing the headphones right now, so only you will hear who calls you in your headphones. Great, that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.